there guys, this is Gareth Borden here, wannabe rock star, parent and vegan food connoisseur. And today I'm going to talk you through how to make your very own healthy, easy cauliflower and chickpea curry. Maybe you want to add a few vegetable dishes to your list. Maybe you are just cooking for the first time. Cooking makes you feel intimidated and you want something easy, might look fancy. Whatever it is, I got you. This is going to be a great time. First we're going to start with vegetable broth. You can find this in the same area as all the other broths. I would recommend a low salt version. Next up is 1 red onion. The more colours you use in your meal, the better. And of course, the garlic. We're going to use 2 cloves. I'm just a self-taught dude, so if you want fast and perfect chopping styles, then it's best to watch a few online videos of pro chefs who are skilled in the art of chopping vegetables. I'm just a hack away and watch the fingers kind of guy, and no one will care when it's all cooked anyway. Now, this might blow your minds, but not only can you cook without oil, but it's actually better for your health. Oil clogs up the arteries like all processed fats, and it's not essential to the cooking process. Let me show you. Instead of oil, we use the vegetable broth to soften the onion and garlic until tender, about 3 minutes. You'll need 1 jalapeno. We like it spicy in this household, so we'll be keeping all the seeds. For a less spicy version, then keep all the seeds out for sure. So now we're going to stir in the jalapeno, 1.5 tablespoons of curry powder. This is the curry powder I use, medium curry powder. Very easy to find in the spice area of your local supermarket. We are going to be using 1 head of cauliflower, trimmed and cut into 1-inch pieces. Chop chop and watch the fingers, and then add the cauliflower. Then we need roughly 8 ounces of green beans. We just chop off their tips and cut them into rough 1-inch pieces. Add the green beans, large can of tomatoes, 28 fluid ounces, or one that's this size. Add the tomatoes. Now we're going to roast 2 bell peppers, whatever kind is your favorite. This might sound fancier than it actually is. So if you have an electric oven like me, you are going to have to use the broiler or the grill to roast them. We place it into the oven, wait for them to blacken on one side, and then rotate them until all sides are black. When this is complete, then place them in a bowl of water until cooled, peel off all the charred skin, and then chop them up into small pieces. Add in the roasted bell peppers. We are going to cover it up and bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to simmer until the vegetables are tender, which will be roughly 20 minutes. At this point, I'd like to pressure cook some brown rice to go with this meal, but you can use regular white rice as well. I would recommend basmati. Now, when the veggies are tender, we're going to scoop out a cup of the solids and the liquids from the pot and puree it in the blender. You can also use an immersion blender to break up some of the vegetables, if you have one. We then need 1 cup of plant-based milk. We actually only have this silk almond coconut blend, so I'm going to use this. Then stir in the milk. We then need 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. You can usually find this in the health aisle of your supermarket. I bought this bag online personally, whichever you prefer. Half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Just chuck it in like that. We also need a can of chickpeas and cook it from 5 to 10 minutes longer, just to heat through and blend the flavor. Serve it up with rice and gain compliments from your peers.
I don't want to stop eating. Very flavorful.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if there's any other kind of meals that you would like me to do. Leave a comment. And we'll see you again next week. Take it easy guys.